So it's time to upgrade your car charger? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host Matthew, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Baseus Primetrip VR2 and VR2 Max. Look at this thing. Whoa. And then, whoa, this thing is awesome. We have a 30 watt and a 100 watt charger from Baseus to take a look at. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we'll do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it. Hey everybody, you're watching Good Tech Cheap. We're going to take a look at this at Baseus Primetrip VR2 car charger cable right here. We have two of these. We've got the 30 watt and the 100 watt. But let's go ahead and check out this box right here. 2.6 feet of stepless retractable cable. Very, very nice. Super fast charging. Information right here on the side of the box. Information on the back of the box. Again, you know, we've worked with Baseus in the past multiple times. They're always high quality products and high quality packaging. But, you know, let's open it up. One of the first things you see in the box are these adorable stickers. This is something new that we've been seeing from Baseus right here. And we've got the stickers the past couple of times, and look at them, they're just adorable. We've got our user manual right here as well, and as you see, it is a little thick and in multiple different languages. So A+, Baseus, they've got you covered pretty much no matter where you're at, guys. Look at all that. Nice. And the product itself, look at this. This is the 30 watt right here. And look at that retractable cable. That's exactly what makes this thing awesome. Wow, it's almost like a ruler, right? A little measuring tape. Very, very cool right here. You just plug it into your car charger, your little cigarette lighter hole. And we've got an extra USB-C port right here on top. Very, very nice. And then this one that can stretch and plug in, which is great for you people in the back seat. And then we've got the bad boy, the VR2 Max, the 100 watt. Look at this thing. It spins, it swivels, it turns. Wow, it's got two of those retractable things on top. Wow, look at that. Bunny ears, woo! And again, retractable. Pull it, let it go. Magnetized top right there so the cables can stay in place. On the side, we've got a USB-C port, and then we've got a USB 2.0 right here on this side as well, or USB-A. And again, you just plug it into your cigarette lighter or a little car charger port. But wow, the 100 watt is a beast. Very, very cool. Well, let's go try them out. This is the Baseus Primetrip VR2 car charger. And there's a 30 watt version and a 100 watt version. But let's take a look at the 30 watt version. Guess what? It's blazing fast charging, and it has a total of 60 watts maximum. That's because it's got a retractable cable USB-C plus an extra USB-C port on it, and both are 30 watt. You can charge at any angle, anytime, tangle free and built to last. Blazing fast charging speed at a total of 60 watts max. It's always tidy and neat, and it's got universal compatibility. And it's super slim and short, and you get uninterrupted and ultra safe charging. Now let's take a look at the Baseus Primetrip VR2 Max car charger. This is the 100 watt charger. You can spin it into full power with dual axis rotation. That's right, it spins and it turns, but it's got a total of 163 watts of fast charging. It's a 4-in-1 charging solution with a 450 degree dual axis rotation. It's got dual 31.5 inch retractable USB-C cables, and you get uninterrupted and ultra safe charging. The outputs on this are 67 watts plus a 33 watt, another 33 watt, and a 30 watt, in addition to a 67 watt and a 17 watt max. Both of these chargers are awesome. Another amazing product from Baseus. Great job. They're always so great. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I really love the retractable cable on this one right here. Also, the fact that they make a 30 watt and a 100 watt and they kind of look the same, but like one's super powerful. We want to give a huge shout out to Baseus for sponsoring this video. You can find all their links down below. Don't forget, I've been today's host Matthew, and you've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye.